Open fire!
That's alright. I need to get up anyway.
Rough and tough, absolutely is. 122 waving from way up north.
Getting rough and tough in there. Yeah, it's getting pretty hard to get in there now, but I've been tapping that wedge down in there.
Let's see if we can roll on through. Absolutely a big old pile up here in the corner, 122, state of Maine.
Hey, 122, state of Maine, Matic-Al, Alabama, waving hello.
Hey, Matic, down there in the BAM. Hey, we're going to wave a hand right back at you, sir. You're sounding real good up here in the corner.
Hey, 122. Matic said that. We out.
Right back at you, Matic, right back at you. You and yours have yourself a good day, better tomorrow, and enjoy the old 4th. Absolutely. 122 waving and getting out of the road.
Hello, 152. I'm waving a hand out that way, man. It's rough and tough in here this afternoon. Good afternoon time to you, Mr. 152, Yardbird waving. 150. Got down with his live rating. Double 07 in the bound is standing by.
Get it, Jazz, get it.
Hey, it got real rough and tough in there. 152, I'm waving. Jazz rolled up on in there, and Hilda Lake's coming out rolling up on in there as well. Hey, Slingshot, good afternoon time to you as well. Jazz, man, sounding good down here on the hills. No doubt about it. Our rascal, he can do it.
Waving a hand, Yardbird. We're going to wave a hand if we can. 122, state of Maine.
How about at 122? How about at 122, the state of Maine? The Captain Lou in the Mobile in North Carolina? Yeah, I got it all, Jazz. Sounding real good, man. Hey, Jazz, keep doing what you're doing down here around East Tennessee hills, Yardbird pulling back.
Well, Captain Lou, hey, Captain Lou there, we got you. That old Mobile got in where it could fit in. I think you said the Carolinas. Hey, you are definitely out of your state. Hey, Captain Lou, 122 Maine waving.
Yeah, Roger on that. 122 Maine. You got a copy of Central North Carolina, come on.
Yeah, well, Captain Lou, absolutely you broke on through that go around, and the Carolinas absolutely did. That old Mobile is working well for you, absolutely is. Hey, Captain Lou, 122 bumping it down, just trying to let you know.
Roger D there, 122. I hope you have a good 4th of July coming up for sure there. That's where we're going up to Pennsylvania for 4th of July. I know it is rough and tough in there.
All right, back at you. You hope you have a nice, safe trip all the way up there to Pennsylvania. No two ways about it. Hey, Captain Lou is definitely rough and tough out here, so we're going to slide back to the side. But hey, I'm glad you gave me a shout. Definitely sounding real good in that Mobile. 122 sliding out of the road. Bye-bye.
Nice slingshot. It got rough there at the end, man. I believe you did on key shot. I get out of the way, man. It is busy. I just wanted to say hello to 115 up there in your neighborhood. Have a good afternoon, Slingshot, Yardbird pulling back. I'll see you.
Hey, Yardbird. Hey, Yardbird, you're making quite a racket over here in Maine. Hey, Yardbird. 122 Maine waving.
Yeah, 123, you got a copy. Hey, good afternoon time to you, 122 Yardbird. Hey, Mr. 122 Yardbird waving and stepping. Have a good afternoon.
All right, back at you, Yardbird. Bird wanted to spike you down, let you know you're rolling into the corner. You'll get back out of the way. Have yourself a good day, Yard Bird. 122 back out. Bye-bye.
Face to face with this. You guys up here, oh yeah, just big mouth. 122, 413 line.
413, waving a hand at you, sir. You just roll right up into the receive.